Welcome to MWN.com. Happy to present the important news today. Presented by Dr. M. Wilson, Professor, Author and Publisher. Subscribe the channel MWNspace.com. Important news today, the 19th of November 2025. 1. The Indian government has been accused by media of participating in a disinformation campaign orchestrated by China following Operation Sindoor, a claim raising questions over bilateral tensions. 2. The Federal Trade Commission (FTC) lawsuit against Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, has been dismissed by a U.S. judge, who ruled Meta is not a monopoly in social media, a big win for the company. 3. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the United States have signed sweeping defense and civil nuclear cooperation agreements, including approval for the sale of F-35 jets to Saudi Arabia. 4. Asian stock markets are stabilizing after a sharp global tech-led sell-off. Investors await the earnings report of Nvidia Corporation, a bellwether for the AI tech sector. 5. Among Southeast Asian countries including Indonesia, Laos, Myanmar, Philippines, and Vietnam, there are notable developments in regional energy, imports and trade flows reported today. 6. Today is International Men's Day, a day to highlight men's contributions, health and positive role models. 7. The Global Initiative for Chronic Obstructive Lung Disease (GOLD) is drawing attention to this year's World COPD Day, focusing on lung health and prevention. 8. Japan's 2025 rice harvest is projected to rise about 10% from last year, reaching 7,468,000 tons, the largest since 2017. 9. 8 Data reports that United States is now the biggest recipient of China's loans globally, $2.2 trillion United States dollars across 200 countries from 2020-23. 10. Moody's Ratings warns that emerging markets will face steadier growth but rising vulnerabilities, geopolitics, climate risk, investment flows in 2026. For example, India's growth is seen around 6.5% annually through 2027. 11. Volkswagen AG is cutting the cost of its India EV platform development by about one-third, from $1 billion to $700 million, and is actively seeking a local partner to boost its small 2% market share in India. 12. India's merchandise trade deficit for October 2025 reached a record $41.68 billion United States dollars, due in large part to a big jump in gold imports and a drop in exports to the U.S. 13. Alongside, India agreed to its first major structured LPG import contract from the U.S., 2.2 million tons, 10% of its annual LPG imports, as part of efforts to ease trade tensions with Washington. 14. India's merchandise exports to the U.S. in October rose month-on-month to $6.3 billion, up 14.5% from September, though still down 8.6% year-on-year, showing some resilience despite tariffs.